Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. Day 2, pre-New Year's Keto Kick Off. I'm feeling okay right now. I had a slight headache this morning and last night, but I had my coffee this morning. Seems to help with the caffeine. I have a little bit of stevia and the sugar-free creamer. I had 2 slices of bacon, and I have prepped a pan of bacon for the week. And I have a video showing how to do that. It's like no mess bacon. A couple of slices of the Colby Jack snack cheese for breakfast. Lunch, one of my favorite and easiest to prepare, quick grab and go for lunches are my pizza peppers. So these are easy. I'll just slice the green pepper in half sideways. Put in some already browned ground beef. I look for the lowest carb marinara that I can find. And if I'll do the spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce, it's usually a little bit higher in carbs. I try to make sure I do marinara. It's a little bit lower in carbs. Mozzarella cheese, pepperoni. Now, I fixed 2 of these, and I took off a little slice of pepper off the top so I could make some skewers for supper. But it will be 2 meals for me in a casserole dish, and then I froze the second one. So I grab it and I'll bake it for 35 to 45 minutes in an oven. Quick grab and go for lunch, supper a couple of days from now. But I'll freeze it and store it there with a garden salad, ranch, and cheddar cheese. Delicious lunch. That's one of my favorites. Dinner, also one of my favorites. So these are just bacon wrapped hamburger meat on a skewer. It's as simple as that. I'll just put it on a skewer. You don't even have to put it on a stick. Wrap it with bacon, and I cook it in the air fryer. You can cook it in the oven. You can cook it in a pan, but these are delicious. There's sugar-free ketchup to use with it if you want to that I purchased. I didn't need it. It was just so good without it, with slaw. And those vegetable kebabs. So on my vegetable kebab, I put zucchini, onion, and a couple other pieces of the pepper that I saved from the pizza peppers this morning. So these are excellent, delicious meals that you're going to love. And then a Think Keto bar. I haven't had it yet, but if I need it, I'll eat it tonight. 4 grams for the whole bar. Sometimes I'll just eat half a bar, and sometimes I'll just use that and coffee as a breakfast. Let's look at the macros. So I was a little bit lower on the macros for protein. I was at 19%. I'm trying to get at least 20%, between 20 and 24%. Fat, I was over 73%, which is great. And then my net carbs went over a couple of grams on the carbs. If I eat the full Think Keto bar, I may only eat half of it. That'll cut down on the calories a little bit, but still not bad, around 1,500 calories. So that's the macro breakdown. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for day 3.